Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ms. Mehwish and I am your online chemistry coach. Before start today's topic, I have few words to share with you that are: no one else knows exactly what the future holds for you. No one else knows what obstacles you have overcome to be where you are. So don't expect others to feel as passionate about your dreams as you do. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do it. That you have achieved your goal. So today I will share some hacks about how you can do your work. That is summer work, as summer vacations are going on. So I will share some tips and tricks to solve the summer work for Olevels students. Our topic is detox reactions and electrolysis. So first of all, very basic question: what is summer work? According to my knowledge, summer work is a kind of job done by the students at home. As I'm gonna assign some tasks to my O-level students, so those tasks which they will solve at home will termed as their summer work, right? So students, what you have to do is to do a cyclic job. You have to be in your cycle. You have to be punctual to do your job on time. Submit your task on time according to the guidelines of your coach. So task 1. Draw the labeled diagram of electrolysis. As we can see on the slideshow, that the slideshow consists of a word recipe. Recipe means what are the steps which you have to follow to do this task. Step 1. Fill a bucket with electrolyte solution. Bucket means the electrolyte medium, right? The medium in which you have to pour your electrolyte. Step 2. Hang 2 electrodes in the bucket. And step 3. Tie the 2 electrodes with the wire and the problem solved. So students, by following 3 steps, we have solved our question number 1, that is label diagram of electrolysis. Here is an interesting step to do. What you have to do practically. What is your job at home? Take a chart of 25 by 25 centimeter, right? Draw the diagram and label it. Now students, it's up to you. How creative are you? How you can make this task more catchy, attractive to your coach, right? It's up to you. I have given you an idea. Now it's up to you to modify this idea. And what is the secret point? The secret point is your grade is ultimately directly proportional to your cultured work. Whatever your task is, whatever the quality of your task is directly related to your grade, whether you score A star, B, C, D, or whatever, right? Next is our task number 2, that is make a video clip of electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Wow, I think it's a catchy idea to express your professional attitude. You can express what you can do, how better you are to be a teacher, right? So the very important point about task number 2 is what to do. Your video clip should consist of the following points. First of all, introduction. Introduction of what? Your introduction and the introduction of the topic. Second point is labeled diagram. You should have to prepare a label diagram, right? And you have to show that label diagram in the video. Explain about oxidation and reduction equation, and then the summary of the video clip. What you have learned, what you are going to teach. So all in all, you have to follow the given 4 points, right, students? Very next task, that is task number 3. Write the redox equation of electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution. Concentrated sodium chloride solution is also called brine. Aqueous sulfuric acid. So again, the important point, what you have to do? Take a sticky note of any color, whatever your choice is, hang it on ice cream stick. Now write oxidation and reduction equation of electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride on that sticky note. Right? Label that equation where oxidation takes place, how electrons are being transferring from one place to another. And secondly, do the same for aqueous sulfuric acid. Whatever you are doing for concentrated sodium chloride, do the same for aqueous sulfuric acid. I think this is the most interesting and enjoying activity. Summer work, your job, so you have to do it, obviously. Here we go. One of my favorite tasks. Task number 4. Arrange the following talented bunkers of Olevels. Wow. What are the talented bunkers? And who are they? Where they live? Let's have a look. Here they are. What to do? Magnesium plus 2. A dirty bunker, right? Pb plus 2, that is lead, calcium, silver, potassium, zinc, sulfate, hydroxide ions, nitrate, and last but not least, chloride ions. So what you have to do, students, arrange them according to their selective discharge series. Selective discharge series of cations and selective discharge series of anions. Arrange them properly and send it to me back. Next is task number 5. Wow, what is this? Mrs. Wicked. Mrs. Wicked has a pair of anklets. Wow, anklets, huh? She wants to electroplate them with copper. Okay, help her by drawing a setup of electroplating. Okay, fine. So the question is, let me explain. Question is all about that you have to make or draw a setup, a diagrammatic setup of electroplating. How you can electroplate a spoon, a jug made up of iron with copper. Same is the case with the anklet pair of Mrs. Wicked, right? So again, what to do? Take a shot of 25 by 25 centimeter. Using crayons and colors, draw the process of electroplating, right? I guess everyone is familiar with crayons and colors, so choice is yours. Whatever the color you want to use, it's up to you. Okay. And other very interesting tasks. Again, you have to shoot a video clip. Okay, make a video clip on this assemble and the explanation of the composition of dry cell. Wow. What you have to do is, you have to take a dry portable cell, right? You have to disassemble it or break it, and then layer by layer explain all about which it is consisting of, what is the chemical composition in the portable dry cell, right? Now what to do? Take a portable dry cell, disassemble it, and while you are disassembling it, you have to clip it, right? You have to make a video accordingly, and obviously send me via Gmail. Don't get panic. It's an easy task, I guess, and interesting as well. So in the end is the summary of the whole season. That is hacks about summer work. You have to be punctual and passionate about summer work. And let me share you the 6 skills of learning, what I personally follow in my life since so long. And the 6 skills and work habits are: number 1, responsibility. You have to be responsible. Second one, organization. Organize yourself, organize your surrounding, organize your work. Third, independent work. Be independent, be yourself, be what you are, don't copy others. Collaboration. Do collaborative work. Number 5 is initiative. Don't hesitate, don't get panic. ask if you have any question. So you must be initiative active. And the last but not least is self-regulation. You should be self-regulation. Self-regulation means you have to boost up your mind to ask more and more questions to your coach. So follow these 6 rules to achieve your goals, whatever your goals are, which you have been set since so long, since your childhood, I guess. Let me share you my personal life experience. I followed these 6 rules since so long, right? And since I'm still a student, I'm still studying as well as I'm in practical life, and I have learned a lot. And these 6 keys really helped me to open so many doors of hurdles, to cross so many obstacles. So dearies, follow these rules. So it's my humble request to everyone who is listening and watching my videos that please stay safe, stay home, and protect yourself and your surrounding by following some precautionary measures referred by WHO about COVID-19. This picture is clearly depicting what you have to do is stay at home, do whatever you want to, but in the boundaries of your house, right? In the end, gracias everyone, and stay tuned with me. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel, share the videos, and obviously press the bell icons to all so that you may get the updates of my videos. I will obviously upload for all of you. Well, thank you for your positive feedback, for your likes, views, and shares. Allah Hafiz.